Hey, Wandering Creatives, I hope you're feeling festive today. I'm sharing 5 simple holiday designs that are perfect for handmade cards or gift tags, and they only use some cardstock and this budget-friendly set of metallic paint pens that I actually found at Target. You'll also see that each design works on either a white or a black background, and that is one of the many reasons that I love metallic paint pens. So let's jump in. First up, using this blue color, we've got the Let It Snow design. Now for all of these cards, we are using a faux lettering approach since these are not brush pens. That means for thicker strokes, you simply draw the extra line there and you fill it in. And of course, you can add in as many or as few background snowflakes as you like. Just be creative. Next up, using the Gold Lame color, we have what I think is the simplest, definitely the quickest, but probably also the most elegant design, and this is the lettered tree design. So this is simply words written in the shape of a Christmas tree. And you can see that by alternating printed letters with the script letters, it gives us a nice elegant design there, and then adding the star on the top is a nice finishing touch. Next up, using this magenta color, is what I think is my favorite design, and this is the Merry and Bright design. So you can see I'm mixing fonts here, and again using that faux lettering approach for that bright. Then we're going in with this silver color and putting in a light strand, along with these little squares all around, meant to be the base of what will be those little Christmas lights. And then going in with each color and drawing in very simple little lights. And the trick here is to just, as you're coloring in, not to color every bit, to leave little spots of white that just gives the feel of the little reflection that you'd expect to see with lights. And what about for that special someone? This Kiss Me Under the Mistletoe design is sure to get you an extra smooch. This is a very basic drawing. If you're not confident in drawing skills, do not worry. It's simply circles for the berries and very simple shapes for the leaves here. And again, mixing fonts here, design-wise, that just helps make things a little bit more interesting and draw our eye to those most important words. And this is just a little trick. I actually ended up putting this a little off center, so I just added some pretty loop chains over here in the same colors that I had used in the design, and I actually kind of love it. Finally, we've got the classic Joy to the World design. And I suppose I lied a little bit at the beginning. You do need something to trace the circle here, and you can do anything you want with this circle inside. In this example, I made it into a simple ornament, but you'll see when I create the gift tag version of this design, I actually make it a wreath. So there are lots of different directions you can go here. And now we're getting into the gift tags. Now for these, I did it on that black background just to show how amazing these metallic pens also look on black. So we've got the Let It Snow, we've got that lettered tree design. This is a variation of the Kiss Me Under the Mistletoe. And then you can see this is the variation of the Joy to the World design I mentioned, where I actually do little swirlies all around the edge with this silver pen and make it look like a little wreath. So there you have it. I hope these ideas have inspired you to get creative this holiday season. Now go make them yours. Merry Christmas and happy holidays, everyone.